How to estimate your PVI on GG Poker using Fish Buffet points. In this video, I'll show you a practical way to estimate your PVI on GG Poker using only GG data. No trackers, no spins, no guessing. To do this, we only need 4 things: your Fish Buffet points, your bankroll, and PokerCraft. Everything here is visible inside GG. For PVI calculation, make sure not to mix stakes. Before you start your session, write down your Fish Buffet points. After the session, write them down again. The difference between those numbers is how many points GG actually credited you for that session. Next, we calculate your net result. This is simple: bankroll at the end minus bankroll at the start. For example, if you started with 10,000 and you finish up with 9,920, your net result is minus 80. Now we look at the PokerCraft for the same session. PokerCraft shows your profit without rake. In this example, PokerCraft shows plus $20. This is a key step. True rake equals PokerCraft profit minus your net result. So here, plus 20 minus 80 equals $100 of true rake. This is the rake GG actually took from you. On GG, the base rule is simple. $1 of rake gives you 100 Fish Buffet points at PVI 1. Your PVI scales how many points you really get. That gives us this relationship. Points earned equals true rake times 100 times PVI. Rearrange that means estimated PVI equals points earned divided by true rake times 100. Let's put it all together. True rake for the session, $100. Fish Buffet points credited, 5,000. So the calculation is 5,000 divided by 100 times 100. That gives an estimated PVI of 0.5. This is why low PVI hurts grinders. A whale spin requires 120,000 points. The rake needed for one spin is 1,200 divided by your PVI. With PVI 0.5, you need $2,400 rake per spin. With PVI 0.25, you need 4,800 rake per spin. Same level, same game, completely different grind. This is an estimate, not GG's internal number. Track it over multiple sessions to get a reliable picture. That's why grinding blind volume doesn't work for everyone. If you understand your numbers, you can adapt stakes, formats, or even sides.